Hi guys, it's Simran here. I hope you all are doing fine. So today I am back with home remedy as to how to get rid of your black and white heads on your nose area. And the ingredient that you need is egg white. It is very basic. कहीं पे भी मिल जाता है. Any market you'll go, you buy an egg. Separate the egg white with the yellow. That's the first ingredient. And the second thing that you need is tissue paper. वो भी कहीं पे भी मिल जाता है, घर पे भी पड़ा हो सकता है, आप कोई भी टिश्यू पेपर उठा सकते हो. Anything you need, you can pick it up. So now, without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So before I start the application of the product, let me talk about the advantages. The nose strips that you buy on the market might have a side effect on you, might not have a side effect. You're lucky if you don't. But some people usually tend to have a red open pores or acne because of the nose strip, and it might not be bad for your skin if you use it. So instead of going for the costly nose strips that you get in the market, you can just take an egg, remove the egg white of it and use it as a nose strip, and I will show you how. And it's really easy and it's very quick to do and very useful and does not have any side effect for your skin. So it is a home remedy that I have come up with for taking out your blackheads and whiteheads from your nose area if you have any. I hope this helps you out. So we need a spoon or a fork. This is the egg white that I've already taken out, and we're just going to beat it a little. So after you finish beating the egg, which is a tiny little exercise that you have to do, it's necessary to get the froth on the egg. After that, first step will be to clean your nose. So I'm taking a tissue paper or a wet wipe or anything, just cleaning my nose area so that there is no dirt that enters when my pore is opened up. I will take a tissue paper. I'm using this pocket-friendly tissue paper. First, we will apply the egg on our nose. I'm using a brush to apply the egg. We'll tear the tissue paper a small piece. And apply it on our nose. We'll tear off the extra part which is not necessary. Let this dry and then we'll apply another layer. So after you apply the first layer, apply 2 to 3 more layers because you need to have a very hard peel off thing on your nose. So when you're applying, after the first layer, let it dry, wait for 5 minutes or so, let it dry completely, then apply the second layer, again apply a tissue, let that dry. Keep continuing for 3 to 4 layers like that so that it hardens on your nose. Once it is completely dry, it will look something like this. And then all you have to do is pick it up from the sides. Once you have picked up from the sides, just start peeling. So what this will do is, it acts like a nose strip. The hardness of the tissue paper mixing with the egg white will take out your blackheads and your whiteheads that are inside your nose. It will seep inside your nose pores and it will pull out your whiteheads and blackheads. So it is a natural remedy. It won't have any side effects and it is really good for your skin. Egg whites se massage bhi kar sakte ho skin ko. It is really good, and then you can wash it off, rinse it off. It is a very good exfoliation agent and it is good for your open pores and acne. So I hope this home remedy will help you out in getting rid of your whiteheads and blackheads, and I'll see you soon. You can follow me on Instagram, which is Makeover by Simran, and you can follow our page on Instagram, which is Foxy Makeup Tips and Tutorials, and you can buy the products from massmerize.in. Thank you.